Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Kia Sportage hybrid. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Gather all necessary supplies, including 1 quarts of 0W20 full synthetic oil and a new oil filter. You will also need a 17mm wrench, an oil drain pan, a jack, and jack stands for safety. Next, safely lift your Sportage hybrid using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug, which is typically a 17mm bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your oil drain pan directly underneath the plug to catch the old oil. Carefully loosen the drain plug with your wrench, allowing the used oil to flow out completely. Once the old oil has fully drained, remove the old oil filter and install the new one, ensuring it's hand-tightened. Replace the drain plug using a new gasket and tighten it to 25 to 33 foot-pounds. Now, carefully pour 1 quarts of fresh 0W20 full synthetic oil into the engine's oil fill cap. Double-check for any leaks. Finally, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, then turn it off. Wait a moment for the oil to settle, then check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct. Top off if needed. Remember to dispose of your used oil responsibly at an approved recycling center. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below, along with other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.